So what's going on, everyone? Today we're going to do a video update for AST Spacemobile. You guys can see right now that our idea is for the stock to go lower in price, and thus far it has been doing that. You guys can see that we're trending in AST down. So our current analysis or prediction is still valid. We're still going to look for the market in AST to continue to go lower. One thing you can tell is that the market came through and initially it bounced off of our buy pocket on the 20th of August. Okay, and then the market kind of did a small spurt, a couple of days of moving higher, and then it got hit with these sellers once again. So it's telling us the price action, these price bars is telling us that those sellers are still involved in moving the price for AST Spacemobile. Now, did you come through and take some off the table on this first pocket when price came and hit it on the 20th of August? If so, 8.5%. If you were to get out on the close of yesterday, that's around 10% move to the downside. Okay, so we'll go ahead and get rid of this buy pocket for AST Spacemobile. You can also see that yesterday's price action did receive a sell signal. 7.43% is how the market ended yesterday, which gives us even more confirmation that what we talked about on this last price prediction on August the 8th is still on point. Now let's look at this on the monthly chart first for AST. Okay, so the month of August wasn't too bad in the sense that the market is extremely weak. You really didn't see that on the price action for August. Here it is on the 5 weeks. We have 9 more hours left before this 5-weekly price bar is in the books, and it will serve as historical information, and we can tell that the market is definitely showing weakness on the 5 weeks. Here it is on the 3. AST on the 2 weeks, which we have 7 more days, but here it is on the weekly chart. Okay, so yeah, I'm not too enthusiastic to see this stock go higher yet. Let's look at this on a different time. It is on the 5. AST on the 4. It is on the 3, 2, and the 1. So yeah, we need to see for real. Since the buyers didn't hold that first pocket, we need to see if they're going to do it here on our next pocket. That's going to be real important to see if the stock is going to stop going lower and begin to go up, or will we just see a small initial bounce just for the stock to continue to go down? I think this is where that decision is going to be made for this market, right around here. So we'll see. But yeah, we're not changing anything on this prediction. We're going to go forward with the stock trending to the downside. Like I said, just pay attention to see if you get any confirmation of buyers coming through right around here, because if so, then you might need to take that next profit off the table for AST. If you still think the market is weak, then continue to hold on. It's up to you, because when it comes to trading, ultimately it comes to your analysis as to what you suspect the market to do. All right, so let's keep this here. It's still in the oven. We're going to let it cook until we get more confirmation that buyers are coming in. Make sure you maintain profit, and as always, trade different.